Hey guys, glad to see you back. So, as a college student living by myself, my days are often busy juggling classes, assignments, and chores around the house. Even though I'm on my own, I still find it pretty tough to squeeze in time for grocery shopping and cooking every day, and that's why I started looking into meal delivery options a while back. I've been testing out different services to find one that fits my lifestyle, and that's how I discovered Hungryroot. They specialize in grocery delivery but operate like a meal kit service, customizing all the groceries to match the recipes I select online. I've been pretty impressed with their service so far, and I'm excited to share my experience with all of you. I'll walk you through some of the features they offer, both the good and not so good, and break down the costs to help you decide if it's right for you. While I'm not exactly a culinary expert, I have found that Hungryroot's recipes are pretty easy to whip up, perfect for a busy student like me. So, if you're interested in giving Hungryroot a try, I've included a special link in the description for a discount that you won't find on their website. Now let's talk a little bit about what Hungryroot is. So, it's a grocery delivery service that started in 2015. They give you ingredients to cook meals from their menu, which you can find on their website or app. They offer lots of choices for different diets like vegan, vegetarian, and lactose-free. To start with them, just sign up with your email and fill out a questionnaire about your food preferences. Then, pick the recipes you want, pay, and they'll bring everything to your door. It's all about making life easier with simple, tasty, and healthy meals. When it comes to meal kits, ingredient quality is super important. You want to make sure you're getting the best stuff for your money, and that's where Hungryroot shines. They promise fresh groceries with every delivery. And during the 2 months my family tried them, we always got fresh produce. The veggies were crisp, never soggy, and the best part, the protein was top-notch. It was tender and well preserved, plus there were no strange smells or signs of spoilage. And if you ever get a problem with your food, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just snap a picture and they'll give you a full refund. It's their way of making sure you're always happy with what you get. And like I mentioned earlier, Hungryroot isn't about pre-cooked meals. You've got to do the cooking yourself. But here's the upside. Their recipes are super simple to follow, usually taking just about 10 to 12 minutes. You don't even need to be a pro chef to nail them. Trust me, I'm no kitchen whiz. They provide easy, step-by-step guides for each meal, and all you need to do is use the right ingredients and follow the steps. Even someone like me who's not great in the kitchen found it pretty easy, and the best part, I've actually learned to make some pretty delicious dishes, like a juicy ribeye steak and sweet kale salad. My friends love it every time I make it, so that's a win. And now let's talk about how the meals taste. Well, the freshness of the ingredients makes a big difference. They're bursting with flavor. Take the grilled chicken and crispy Brussels bowl, for example. I'm really picky about my chicken. It has to be tender, and every time I follow their instructions, it turned out just right. Even the Brussels sprouts were crispy, which surprised me. And nobody is a big fan of Brussels sprouts, but when they're crispy, it gives them a little more appeal. Next up, the seared salmon and sriracha salad. I usually prefer fresh caught salmon, but their farm-bred salmon was just as good. Soft, juicy, and tasty. They balance the flavors really well in each meal, putting thought into making them delicious and healthy. And finally, let's talk about the steak with salsa verde and black beans. I love steak, okay? So I was skeptical they could make a good one at that price, but I was pleasantly surprised. The meat was soft and tender, the black beans made it filling and added great flavor. I liked it so much I doubled my portion. Plus, they included all the sauces and spices you need for each meal, which vary depending on what you order. Out of all the meal delivery services I've tried, Hungryroot stands out for catering to every dietary need. They offer options for vegans, vegetarians, meat lovers, fish lovers, and, just soul lovers, and those with specific food allergies like soy, nuts, dairy, and even eggs. They even have meals with fewer than 500 calories for those watching their weight. And if you're like me and need extra protein, you can order double portions of meat or vegan dishes. They're packed with protein too. Furthermore, let's talk about the money side of things. So, Hungryroot charges on a week-to-week basis, depending on how many servings you want. You can pause or skip a week anytime you want, which gives you flexibility in planning your meals. They offer 2 portion options, 2 servings per meal, or 4. While I found the 2 serving options a bit small, The 4-serving option was just right. You can add as many servings as you need each week, so you can adjust based on your needs. For example, if you want 6 servings per week for 2 people, it'll cost around $70, but depending on the meals you choose, it could go as low as $65. If you want to double that for a family meal, just double the order and it'll come to around $115 a week. The more servings you order, the less you pay per serving. For instance, if you order 14 servings or more a week, it'll be less than $10 per serving, making it more affordable. And don't forget to use the special link in the description for a discount that you won't get on their site directly. Now, when it comes to customer service, it's crucial to be able to reach out when you need help, and Hungryroot has customer service options on their website and mobile app, and they're pretty responsive. However, in my experience, you might get quicker responses during the week than on weekends, but don't worry if you don't hear back right away on a Sunday. They'll likely be more responsive on Monday. You can also call them for a quicker response. Overall, they're very helpful and friendly, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Hungryroot also keeps it simple when it comes to packaging. The food arrives in small plastic lunch boxes that are easy to open and keep the ingredients fresh. You can choose to keep the ingredients in these containers or transfer them to your own containers. Up to you. Personally, I've found it convenient to keep them in the provided containers as it made organizing the ingredients easier and saved space in my fridge, but feel free to do what works for you. In terms of sustainability, Hungryroot prioritizes sourcing from sustainable farms for their meat, fish, and produce. While some of their products may contain GMOs, this is more prevalent in their vegan options. Additionally, their packaging is fully recyclable, usually coming in paper bags or boxes depending on the order size, which helps reduce waste. Another positive aspect is that the small lunch boxes they use can be reused for around the house or if you need it for work. Furthermore, I find using their website much simpler than the app. The app isn't bad, it's easy to use, but the website is clearer and has better features for checking out the recipes. You can still use the app while cooking to follow the recipe step by step. Especially when signing up and making your first order, I suggest using the website. It just makes things easier. They have a lot of meal options to choose from, which can be a bit overwhelming on the mobile app, so my advice is to start with the website until you're familiar with their menu, then you can try the app later on. Alright, so after looking at all the details, would I still recommend Hungryroot? Well, if you want meals already made and delivered to you, then I recommend trying Factor 75. They specialize in pre-cooked meals, and you can find my review of them in the description below. But if you like making fresh meals at home and enjoy good quality, I suggest giving Hungryroot a try. Their meals are easy to make, even for beginners like me. The ingredients are always fresh, and using their service saved me a lot of time and is still saving me a lot of time while I'm at school. So if you want simple, healthy, home-cooked meals that don't cost too much, then Hungryroot might be for you. And that wraps up my experience with Hungryroot. They offer more dietary options than most services, which is great if you're picky about what you eat. If you want to try Hungryroot with a discount, use the link in the description for a special offer not available on their website. And if you have any other questions or want more information, leave a comment on the video and I'll do my best to respond. For now, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this, but until next time, take care.